In this video, I'll show you how to remove shortcut viruses from a USB flash drive in Windows 11. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Wait a few seconds until Windows detects it. Now, open File Explorer. Click This PC. Find your USB flash drive and note its drive letter. For example, it could be D, E, or H. Next, click the Start button. Type Command Prompt. Right-click Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. If you see the User Account Control window, click Yes. When Command Prompt opens, type your USB drive letter followed by a colon. For example, if your USB drive letter is H, type H: and press Enter. Now, type del *.lnk and press Enter. This command deletes shortcut files created by the shortcut virus. Next, type attrib --s --r -h */s/d/l and press Enter. This command removes the system, read-only, and hidden attributes from the files on your USB flash drive so they become visible again. Wait for the command to finish. Now, close Command Prompt. Open File Explorer. Click This PC. Open your USB flash drive and check whether your original files are visible again. If the shortcut files are gone and your files have returned, the process was successful. That's it. This is how you can remove shortcut viruses from a USB flash drive in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.